In this video, we're going to be replacing the high beam light bulb on this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. So on a driver's side headlight, straight down here, you'll see one cover. Alright, so we're going to take that cover and we're going to twist it towards the driver's side of the vehicle. We're actually going to use a long pair of needle nose pliers here just to get a good grip on it. And twist. And pop off that cover. At this point, what we're going to do is remove our electrical connection or a clip to our bulbs. We're just going to pry that up, push the plug straight up and off. And what we can do is actually just take that out of the way. And from here, we are going to spin our bulb. Okay, so we're going to spin it towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Pull your bulb straight out. To install our new headlight bulb, what we're actually going to do is plug it in before we install it. And with any bulb, remember to wear rubber gloves. You do not want to get any oils on the bulb itself. You'll prematurely burn them out. So once we have our bulb plugged in, we're gonna locate the bulb into the hole, and we're going to align the tabs and turn to lock into position. Okay, once we have our tabs lined up, we can now turn and spin the bulb to lock it into position. And to finish off that bulb install, we're going to reinstall our cap and just twist your cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.